go. Just got down here in Florida right now. Just came up from up north. Just got to the shop right now. This sexy thing right here. Alright, so we have the 280ZX Turbo. This is going to be the next project coming up. I didn't want to say anything yet until I got down here. Finally get to spend some time with my brother and also work on the cars. So we're trying to get the RB20 started up and all that. It's going to be in upcoming videos. But yeah, right now we're just taking it all in. Well, I'm taking it all in because I haven't seen this. This is my first time seeing this whole setup, the garage and all that. Yeah, so we have the 280ZX, looking beautiful as always. Look at this, nice. And then here, here's the back for the back window, the lure for the back window. It's gonna look nice. I'm gonna clean that up. Make sure we put it on there also when we're done with that. And here we got the project. That's what I'm working on right now. Seeing this for the first time. Believe me, the pictures and the videos don't do it any justice. It's a whole different thing right here. When you see it live, it's just crazy, you know. You're 1,000 miles away and then you see it live. It's a whole different thing. But yeah, I'm gonna start working on it tonight. Be on the lookout for a couple more videos this weekend and maybe throughout the rest of the month, because there's gonna be so much content right now, honestly, to this whole build. Now since I'm down here, I can help my brother out and stuff. So, all right, guys.